How to fix my iPhone is clicking itself in the things that I'm not clicking on it. In order for you to fix this issue, first of all, head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Scroll all the way down and head over to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and click on Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode of a device and then once again enter the screen time passcode. Now click on Reset All Settings. Once you have reset all the settings, you might be good to go. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is tap and hold this assistive touch and then click on Restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue, so the issue that you have been facing of clicking itself might also get fixed, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.